he don't burst. Burnaboy don't set the record straight. Omo, he don't cast for here. You know Burnaboy don't set the record straight. For Dubai, he don't say he turned down $5 million job for Dubai. We be say he won't go sing for Dubai. He say he turn and down because say they no go allow him to do in loud to smoke igbo for that place. Say that igbo he don't dey in board. Make you no be saying that me you dey hear the matter from him. Hear the thing wey be say Burnaboy talk. We go come back and analyze the issue, guys. Here. Watch the video first.
Anybody where they look at me one time, I'm doing I shine like diamond. Hustle make you no go for love like primer. Just now I done down Dubai money. $5 million now small thing. Cause me I know they like to they go where they no go creamy smoky go. Should I didn't tell you when you know say you go clear my way. I be champion everywhere. One day you go understand man, but then it to be far too late. I be not go day. I see a lot of teachers that that's a day my own. Cause I quiet and think na joke. Shoulders, head, knees and toes. All day pepper me reach my throat. Forget my Grammy, forget my show. Forget my money, forget my clothes. Sun go breeze, but it go. If it not good for you, not a super. Champion.
Welcome back, guys. Well, in case you don't know Burnaboy na one kind Nigeria artist wey be Odogun of Africa and the giant of Africa. We be say he dey rule the world now as we dey talk. If we talk about Nigeria artists now, there is no how you are not going to talk about Burnaboy because of his zeal for music and the way the guy they give it back to back. The Grammy winning award we be say he don't win so Grammy no for our obodo nyibo, and this Burnaboy wey we dey talk about now him dey sing for studio. We be say that they do practice to come burst everybody brain. Tell us wetin we no know about the music. Say he turn down show wey be say he supposed to go for Dubai, $5 million. You know how big that money could be. That is huge amount of money. How many artists can turn down $5 million because they don't go allow him to do Igbo for that place? So he say that Igbo na in home. You know, I dey tell you say for this life where we deal, some people they be artists, they like cars, some people like house, some people now the different things now people like. Some people even like woman, but it shows say the thing wey be say Burnaboy like e dey different from all those things. True to God, I dey sell am because say how person go get mind just quit a job of $5 million because say they no go allow am to knock loud. You know say Dubai they no dey allow all those things now. If you carry loud enter Dubai, that one mean say you won't go jail be that because say they know they do all those things. You know, be like the Western world or Africa will be say you can just knock your loud. If you get your money, you don't go scot free. But for Dubai na Muslim country will be say you know if you do that thing for that place, if them catch you with just a parcel or even a wristler for Dubai, that means say you don't enter one chance be that. So this guy don't already know say you know they sub for Dubai. Now I can't think say you know if you go Dubai because say if you enter Dubai na wahala, he can't use and sing. Make the world know say Dubai I know they come. I no go show my face for una side because say una no go allow me to smoke Igbo. Waiting be Igbo sef and waiting Igbo they give person. You know these guys they know as they sub now. You know say Igbo na another Yoruba language for loud now. We be say I know if you call am for here. You know say e dey Facebook policy no go allow. But the thing we be say e dey talk about now the thing we be say you go smoke, come get inspiration to sing. Now every musician, majority of the musician they do the knocking. But waiting be the shocking one on top this matter. You can see Burnaboy as they knack the loud, see as they flow for in home mouth. That really shows say now the thing will be saying they make them they happy with that. And no forget say Burnaboy mother did that show. If you don't big, you don't big, eh? See mama, mama no fit caution and say Burna, why you they do this thing now? Because say no say son don't big. You know, if you think say wetin Burna do, you like him, you won't go they do loud. Burnaboy no be alone person, you know now. As Burnaboy dey and a big boy, you understand. After he don't take that loud finish, now he go eat good food. For those of you who be say you they take the loud, go drink garri at the end of the matter. Now you sabi. So no think say because Burnaboy they advertise and say he no go Dubai because they no go allow him to knack the thing. You can't say you don't get liver to get the knack him anyhow. If you knack him, you go turn mad. And if you think say that thing where Burna they do, you fit do him. Don't come compare yourself with Burna, guys. I just they tell you, Burna na different person wey be say he get money to rub the package. You know, say if you they drink or you they smoke, if money dey your hand, it go dey easy for you to manage yourself down. Make you know manage yourself. So guys, what do you think about wetin Burna don talk regarding this stuff? Say he quit Dubai show because of Igbo. You think say he water may just quit $5 million show like that? Or wetin you think? I want make you shoot your opinion for opinion section, make we know for comment, and also share this video if you be Burnaboy fans. Share am, make we see. Share am to people, make people know wetin dey sup. Say Odogun don carry another one come out now. See Odogun as the vibe. If you sabi music, you sabi am. Nobody go question you. Out of Nigeria musician, we say the top shot now. Burnaboy no carry last. If we dey talk about Nigerians and African giant, we go dey talk about Burnaboy, Wizkid, and Davido. And Burnaboy no carry last because he don't win Grammys. So everybody really like the vibe of Burnaboy. And you see as the Burnaboy they do in own music there. Majority of Nigerian artists they no fit sing with Burnaboy they sing. Make just carry mic without beats, just they give flow, or make you they do a cappella and make people they like what you they talk. Burnaboy na one kind big boy I they tell you. You they imagine say in mama still dey that place, they reason with waiting in son they talk, they sing for music. Why the loud still dey in hand, they blow the loud, and everybody they enjoy the vibe. So guys, now Burnaboy they trend, so I just say make I just bring them to you. Give your comment in the comment section as I tell you, and don't forget to share the video to other people out there. It's your boy Holla of My Media TV, and I'm gonna see you in another video. Peace out.
Anybody where they look at me one time, Alhamdulillah, I shine like diamond. Hustle make you no go for love like primer. Just now I done down Dubai money. $5 million now small thing. Cause me I know they like to they go where they no go green me smoky go. Should I didn't tell you when you know say you go clear my way. I be champion every way. One day you go understand man, but by then it to be far too late. I be no go day. I see a lot of teachers that that's a day my own. Cause I quiet and think na joke. Shoulders, head, knees and toes. All day pepe me reach my throat. Forget my Grammy, forget my show. Forget my money, forget my clothes. Sun go breeze, body go go. If it not good for you, not this smoke. Champion. It's going to be quite supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Darling, but you know I know how to handle you.
That is what you are. You get James Joyce in his Finnegan's way in 1939. You got Burna. Baba da karata kamina ron komprom sana ron ton tuntro par hunan skon tu de mentamok.
Mami jari babaji. Baba da wila babi. Jari. Ada kali una baba. Una baba.
You are a tumultuous capable rufus hoo-ha.
What's the meaning of that? I beg, don't try that again. What? Don't you know me? Don't.
This man is calling him like he wants to die. Ah!
We only gonna win. He gonna kill you. Mama, the only woman in this world with something.
That girl will be picking a homo. Better give them small pass. The man you can't go. Now we get them property.
Paprotonto totum propate.
Prayer become a habit. Success become a lifestyle. I work alone. Lion don't fear to work alone. No person. I believe in God, my phone and sub. Any disappointment is a blessing. Ika of Africa. Shekako travel. I did Kusalabaro bus stop. Only on God. Kusalabaro bus stop. Where I did? Na Kusalabaro. So I did the bus stop. What you love?